Just after seeing your faces, it is the reflection of the man and woman who is just going to nurture this world. And you know that because of the great chairman, you are at this stage because he opened the school where you studied and now became ready crop to cultivate this nation. Really, it is high time to say goodbye. It is toughest task to say goodbye. As you know that when the birds hatch the egg and the egg in the incubator coming like the chicken, or just when we are seeing the jungle, the tigress or the lioness deliver the cub, and then they are ready to just do their own hunting in the jungle. It is really the great struggle of the life which I am seeing in your faces. Your faces having some kind of confidence because you know very well you have potential to change the world. I hope you are ready to take the task to face this world as optimum potential, and you will write the history by becoming the different kind of innovator. When I am talking about India, on which we proud, because the Indian mind is different from the all citizens of the world. When I am seeing the Mauritius, the president is from the India. When I am seeing the tycoons, business tycoons of America, you will find that they also belong to India. When I am seeing Singapore, Dubai, Australia, UK, you will find that whole world is now occupied by the Indians. It is only because our school system is the best school system in the world. Our students are good in mathematics and they can change the system not only of with respect to their working part but with respect to their mental aptitude. Just when I would like to see the Dhirubhai Ambani's situation, when at the age of 16 he went to Yemen, and at Yemen he was just working on the petrol pump as manager. He worked there 10 years continuously. By earning some money, he came back to the Bombay. You will surprise that when he was in Yemen, he was buying the real, the currency there. And at that time in the UK, the silver prices was very much high. So he was just melting the real and getting out the silver and selling them, and he earned lakhs of rupees there. When he came to Bombay, he started his Reliance just by investing the 15,000 rupees. And then what we are saying, that Reliance, the business tycoon, living everybody by getting the continuous success. When we are talking about Tata, Birla, Dalmia, they all are what? Behind these lines. It is the reflection of their success story. And in life, I would like to tell you, you all having potential. Sometimes you are not able to perform in mathematics, sometimes may not be in English, sometimes may not be in Sanskrit, sometimes may not be in Hindi. It doesn't mean that you didn't have the potential. You have the potential to change the world. Hindi, English, Sanskrit, physics, chemistry, maths. If you don't know, it doesn't matter. If you know the language of business, you can earn like anything. Just I would like to share here a small story of Madhavan. He was from the Chennai. He was doing the BCom and then the MCom. After doing the BCom, MCom, he became the professor at Madras University. He was working there as professor, but he was not interested to be the part of teaching. And simultaneously he started to work in hotel. So at night from 6 to 12 he was working in hotel, and in morning 9:30 to 4 o'clock he was in university. As he was always taking the advice from the mother, he asked from mother, let me start the hotel business. Then mother said, the teaching profession is only the profession where we are seeing the regard. People always caring this profession. But as the Madhavan decided to start the hotel business, so he was not listening the mother's voice, he was listening the voice of heart. And he started the journey of his hotel. And you will surprise that in Chennai, he started very small shop. And that was again with respect to the God, sharing part. He was giving 20% whatever the money he was earning from that shop to the owner of the shop. But you will find that that man, he was caring a lot with respect to the business. He was focusing on cleanliness, the hygienic, and slowly what we are seeing, that man who is the Madhavan, he started the restaurant in not only in the country approximately 104 restaurant of the Madhavan, and he is holding 16 nations of the world with respect to that. So what I would like to tell you, never underestimate yourself. Sometimes you may be lagging behind in studies. It doesn't mean that you can't change the world. But when you will find that all the tycoon, especially in business, all the rich men in the world, that we are seeing the Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, or Dhirubhai Ambani, or let me take some more examples in which you will find the Dell, the computer, the Facebook which you are seeing, all the person, those behind them are the dropouts. They didn't able to continue the study. And I said that this word is really miracle. When we are seeing Rabindranath Tagore is the man who got the Nobel Prize. But you will surprise that he was also the dropout. Till the age of 17, he was not studying anywhere. To get the formal degree, he went to the UK, and then what we are seeing, he was not able to study there and came back without getting any degree. And you are seeing in this country where 121 crore people living, till today only one person got the Nobel Prize in the literature. He is not having any degree. This is the reflection of the talent which I am seeing all my Modian students. Really you are great. The great success story behind you, for which our management, our staff, as well as our all the members, those are supporting you in case of teaching part or the non-teaching part, just eyeing for your future, so you can really achieve your destiny for which you born in this world. And I am sure that one day this world in which we are seeing some Modians are just like the stars, and the success story of the Modi Public School is so far ahead in the Haro division. I would like to tell you, sometimes we have the differences with respect to the school part. We are forcing you to come to the school, not for our benefit. We are just seeing for your future. The reason, sometimes when the gate professors coming here for the examination, they are telling all those are in IIT and especially from Kota, they are not able to complete the IIT properly because they are also not attending the classes in IIT too. That's why I would like to tell you that this time the system is changing. And system is changing with respect to searching the talent, so the right people can reach to the IIT, right people can reach to the medical colleges, so they can do better job and they can serve the country properly. Here I would like to share you as it is the 26th January. The 26th January is really very important with respect to the Big Bazaar. The Big Bazaar in your Kota city too, where you are seeing that Kishore Binani, he wrote one book, It Happened in India. What happened? In 2006 on 26th January, he gave one slogan to all the employees, those are working in Big Bazaar, 26 ko 26. What do you mean by? On 26 crore we have to earn in single day. He gave the target. The employees surprised how to achieve that. And you will be surprised by seeing that on 26th, when the Big Bazaar, all the shops have the Big Bazaar at Bombay, Calcutta, Gurgaon, the queue at 7:30. People were waiting just to enter in the Big Bazaar. And what happened? They closed the shops at 1 p.m. And they achieved the target just at 30 crore. After that, what happened to the Big Bazaar? Anytime when they are setting the target, the employees ready to achieve that because they experience the success. So what I would like to tell you, the Modian experience the success. All the seniors, those pass out, all the alumni from here, they are at the better position. And by seeing them, you have to keep the confidence because you can make the history again. And I wish from the God, I wish God that they give the blessing to you so you can succeed like success